Reacting to events is an important first step. How can we now change what appears on the screen? Well, we want to change the title when we click on button, so here's how to do it. We could create a variable with let, which could be name title props.title. Then we will use another variable at the bottom, so you remove props and leave title. Now what we're going to do is putting the title here. We're going to put updated here, and then we're going to change and put console.log. We're going to remove the clicked, and we're going to put title. Let's imagine now I press change title, it puts updated 1, 2, 3, 4. We can do this indefinitely. The only problem with this is that the action is repeated. The action goes through all this when the application is initially rendered, but afterwards it's done. It also works because of this. It's very important. That's why at the beginning of the course I told you to put it in, because without it, it won't work. And for the next course, we're going to talk about state. It's something very interesting, so I invite you to go to the next course.